So we've come to the final segment of this crash course, which is deploying our application to the internet so others can have access to it. So you can choose to share the link with your friends or whoever you choose to share it with after deploying the app. So we have quite a number of platforms to deploy our application. We have Vercel, we have Netlify, we have GitHub pages and others. So for the sake of this course, we are going to be using Netlify, and we're going to be using Netlify. And before we do that, we have to build our project for production. So we are going to be using npm run build. Then we would take the build directory to the chosen platform. We are going to take it over to Netlify. So let's do npm run build first. Let's head over to our terminal and we'll type Ctrl+C to stop our local server. Yes. Then we'll type npm run build to make our project ready for production. Once that is done, we can see a new folder up here, a dist folder. So that is what we are going to be deploying. So we are going to head over to our browser now, and you can type in netlify.com on your browser. You can head over to netlify.com. This is my Netlify profile. You can head over to netlify.com and you can register, and once your registration is successful, you can locate this add new site button. You click on it and you go to deploy manually. So you click on that and you either drag and drop your project here, or you browse the folder to upload. In my case, I'm going to browse the folder and I'm going to locate my project folder, the dist folder we just made available for production. Yes, React to do, yes, this is it. So I'm going to just say upload and wait for it to upload. Yes, so once the upload is successful, you see a status here that says complete. So that means our project is done. So you head over here and say open production deploy. Then we are going to see yes, our project is now live, and this is our project link. But you can choose to customize your link if you want. You head over to Netlify and say you click here, then you come to site configuration, say change site name, then you can just say you can add in any name of your choice. In my case, I'm going to try to do with React, then save. The site name is already taken. Okay, so let's say let me say with React course. Okay, so now we can see the link to the project has been updated. We have to do with React course. So if I click on it, it will take me back to to our uploaded project. So there you have it. Our project is now fully live online, and you can feel free to share with your friends, and you can also add it to your portfolio. A brief recap of what we've done so far. We learned how to set up a React project using Vite. We've learned about some React fundamentals like JSX, component props, and hooks. And under the hooks, we looked at the two most commonly used hooks, which are the use state hook and the use effect hook. And we also looked at the use callback hook and the use memo hook. And we've learned how to build and deploy a single page application using React.js. So guys, the learning doesn't stop there. I would advise that you continue learning by building complex projects, and for more reference, you can explore the React.js official documentation website. The link to that is available in this slide. If you also want the slide for free, you can get the slide for free from our Discord server. The link to the Discord server will be provided in the description. So you can head over to the description and join our Discord server to access the course slides for absolutely for free. So we've come to the end of the course, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with us to the end, and we'll see you in the next one.